Do you know how your salary increase is decided? If you are a software engineer working hard and want to ensure you're paid what you're worth, this video is a must watch. In this video, let's discuss the key factors influencing salary decisions and learn how to maximize your earning potential. Hi there, welcome to Tech and Career Bytes. I'm a software professional with over 2 decades of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization. Salary review is a structured process to evaluate and adjust employee compensation. In my 20 plus year career, I have participated in and led several salary reviews. I'm here to share my experience with you today. So, let's get started. For software engineers, understanding the salary review process is important. It helps you align your career goals with the factors that influence salary increases and promotions. By understanding how your work is assessed, you can focus on areas for improvement, thereby increasing your chances for a higher salary. Additionally, understanding the salary review process helps you assess if your pay aligns with industry standards and negotiate fairly for your contributions and skills. The salary review process has three primary objectives: market alignment, performance reward, and internal fairness or internal equity. Market alignment ensures that employee compensation remains competitive with industry standards and current market conditions. Performance reward acknowledges and financially incentivizes employees for their accomplishments, dedication, and contributions to the organization. Internal fairness sustains compensation uniformity across team members to foster equity and mitigate discontentment. Some companies encourage transparency and are willing to share details about how an employee compensation aligns with market standards and internal fairness considerations. So, give it a try and ask your manager about your compensation to gain insight into how your pay aligns with company policies and market standards. How frequently salary reviews are done? The frequency of salary reviews can vary depending on company policies, industry standards, and individual performance. While annual reviews are typical, salary reviews may occur annually, biannually, or quarterly. Who decides my salary increase? Is it just my manager? Ownership of salary reviews can vary based on organization's size, structure, and culture. Let's explore the typical stakeholders and their role in the process. HR typically oversees the entire process, establishing guidelines, providing market salary data, and ensuring alignment with company policies and legal requirements. HR also collaborates with other departments to gather necessary data and maintain consistency in salary adjustments across the organization. Engineering managers gather performance data, assess individual contribution, and recommend salary adjustments. EMs communicate salary review outcomes, provide feedback, and address any concerns raised during the process. Senior management and executives often have final approval on budget allocations for salary adjustments, ensuring alignment with strategic goals and financial constraints. They may also establish high level policies for the process, such as target compensation percentiles and overall compensation strategy. The finance department ensures salary reviews are within budget, competitive, and compliant with financial policies. They allocate funds, analyze market data, and approve salary changes. By now, we know what a salary review is, why it is important, how often it is done, and who is involved in the decision making. Now, let's talk about how it actually gets done. Deciding salary increments involves considering several factors, and there is no one size fits all answer. Here are the key considerations. Increment decisions are influenced by financial constraints and regional allowances, often tied to Business growth contributions. Regions are typically allotted their budgets. For instance, the Asia region might get a budget allocation such as 9%. Ensuring alignment with current market trends and benchmarks for similar roles is crucial for attracting and retaining talent. If a company finds that it is paying below industry standards compared to its competitors, it may choose to provide substantial salary increments to remain competitive and retain its skilled workforce. Increments are based on both company wide and individual performance evaluations. High performers typically receive higher raises, often falling within a HR recommended range. For example, 20 to 30% salary increase for those exceeding expectations. Salary increases vary by role and seniority level. Higher level positions may not see the same percentage increases as junior roles due to salary growth limitations. In most companies, the salary increases are spread across three components: base salary, bonus, and restricted stock units or RSUs. Base salary increments are primarily determined by considering market alignment, internal fairness, and individual performance. Bonuses are determined based on both company and individual performance. For example, if a company has been performing exceptionally well, it might award a 200% bonus to its engineers with exceeds expectations rating. RSUs are typically granted to high performing employees whom the company intends to retain. These units vest over a specified period, providing long term incentives and aligning employees' interests with the company's performance. As an example, consider a software engineer with exceeds expectations performance rating. Their salary increments could be as shown here. Assuming the salary of the software engineer is not already in the higher salary bracket and the company is also exceptionally performing well. If someone is being promoted to the next level, there will usually be a significant increase in their base salary to align with the pay scale of the new level. Maybe more than the 20% increment we talked about in the previous example. How can I increase my salary? My suggestion would be focus on your own performance and keep an eye on market standards. The key to increasing your salary is to perform well. Regular self evaluation will help you stay aware of your contributions and areas for improvement. Document your achievements such as successful projects, code optimizations, and innovations. Use metrics where possible, such as the percentage improvement in system performance or the number of bugs resolved. Stay informed about current market rates for your role and experience level. Utilize platforms such as Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary Insights, and PayScale to benchmark your compensation against industry standards. This knowledge empowers you to assess the competitiveness of your salary. If it falls short, initiate an open discussion with your manager to strategize a plan for adjustment. I hope you now understand how your salary increments are decided and what steps you can take to proactively work towards increasing your salary. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech topics. Do check out our other videos on software performance optimization case studies, system design, coding, big data, and career growth. My name is Rupa and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.